put a piece on. You want to check your speed. So a lot of times you can do it visually. A lot of lathes will even have a readout right there. Some of those are really nice. A little more expensive, but you can dial in and it'll tell you exactly the RPMs.
Oh, I got a little dial on the side.
Right.
It's just a little cheap Wen one.
Yeah,
it's
so
really nice,
no, it's nice. It's nice, and you can change your speed. But
Yeah.
the idea is, I know when I taught high school, they started enforcing that schools can only have lathes that you can only start it at its lowest speed.
Oh, okay.
Because pieces had come off and hit people and hurt them, right? So I know the one of the university I taught in, they had a lathe like that, which drove me crazy because if I was going over to show a student, I would inadvertently shut it off, right? But now I can't turn it back on because it only can be turned on at the slowest speed. So you'd have to just keep turning and turning and turning until you got the lever down, and then you can start it again.
Oh.
Right? Because that was a safety. So you always want to make sure that your machine is going at a very slow speed. Then it's okay to put your piece on. So now you're gonna. You don't have to really press it on. In fact, you can buy little washers there that cushion that, because as you cut and you're going against the tool, it's going to get tighter and tighter and tighter. So now it's going to be a little harder to get off.
Oh.
Right? So now this is your tool rest. So your tool rest is highly adjustable in all three axes. Right? You can bring this up, change an angle, move it in, and we're going to do that. Right? Actually, I'm going to start by doing this. I'm going to let you try this. All right?